Alright, so it's this piece right here. It's going to be the Treal steering rack. Yep, the Treal aluminum 7075 steering assembly, bill crank, servo horn linkage for the Traxxas Sledge. Basically, my truck is all stock. The only thing that is not stock on the truck, guys, is the shock boots. I put those on. I make these. I actually sell them on my website. You can find them at pnwrcmadness.com. That is me. And you can also find these Treal parts on my website as well, www.pnwrcmadness.com. Go ahead, check it out. I'll put a link below in the comments, in the description, and yeah, it's always free shipping, guys. Thanks for tuning in. While we're here, please do subscribe. Let's go ahead, get this bell crank put in the truck, and let's go ahead and give her a quick rip. All right, so first thing, let's take off the wheel. Makes it super easy to get to the chassis screw right here. Let's go ahead and get it out of the package, and I will show you what you're getting. Alright, so first thing I see as always is you get this awesome fancy Treal sticker. Bunch of stickers on there, cool. Alright, now the reason why I'm upgrading this is I just want to strengthen up my steering a little bit and eventually put in a new steering servo. So check that out, it's pretty nice. Again, it's 7075 aluminum. Let me get this camera mounted here. Alright, there we go. See if I can get it to focus. Oh, look at that. So that's super, super quality stuff. Treal makes awesome, awesome parts. Their customer service is top notch. Like I said, you could find these on my website. If you have any issues, breakages, just PM me, find me on Facebook, wherever. Message me, call me, and I will help you out. So, all right, so let's go ahead. It's not very many screws. Actually, it's quite a few. 2, 3, 4. You're going to want to take off both front and rear chassis braces. Screws. Disconnect your steering servo horn. Okay, so in order to get this mount off the top of the steering rack, you're going to want to loosen these 4 screws, holding on your front shock tower. That way you can pull it forward, pull the pins out, and lift this piece out. Alright, the last one right here is hidden in the front of the shock tower. Okay, so after you got all 4 screws out of there, you're going to go ahead and loosen up your shocks. Take one lower screw out. That way your shocks will hang. You can take out, there we go. We can pull the shock tower up and out. Alright guys, so once you got your shock tower out of the way, I forgot there's actually 2 screws on the bottom side of the chassis. You're going to have one here and one there. Go ahead, pull your shock tower out of the way, and then all you have to do is just lift up your chassis brace and pull this lower chassis brace you can call right out. So there we go. Alright, so once you got all that disconnected, all you got to do is just pull your old stock steering linkage straight up. And there we go. Make sure you got the bearings, because the Treal does come with bearings. So let's go ahead and put it on, get her in the dirt, take a quick rip, check it out in the truck, and yeah, buddy. Alright guys, so before we take it in the dirt, obviously we need to get the tires back on. By the way, I did have to glue these from stock. I blew them first run. I do just want to show you guys, I do have all colors in stock. I have red, I have black, I have blue, and green. So go ahead and check them out on my website, and let's get the wheels back on and get in the dirt and tear it up. So let's go. Guys, check it out. We made it out here to the dirt. We brought some jumps along, and we're going to go ahead and test out this awesome Treal steering linkage / servo saver. One quick tip is to make sure that you keep that thing clean. You don't want to put grease on it, but you could definitely put some wax on it. That will keep it nice and smooth. So let's go ahead, plug the battery in, let's get ripping. Just for show, we are running 6S. It's a big pack. Show you what we're running. We're running 2 million or 20 million in the center diff. You'll notice, guys, that the truck can't get it out. Anyways, this is a Power Hobby 5,000 milliamp battery. So let's go ahead, strap her in, and let's go. Stay tuned for the next video. Is going to be a servo upgrade. Let's go, guys. Here we go. Uh-oh. Something cut out. That was weird. That was really weird. Like lost all juice. Huh. Well, let's try again. Servo saver's holding up well. Something's going on, guys. Wow. It's got a brand new fully charged battery pack. That's so weird. What is going on? Alright guys, I don't know what's going on. I'm not getting any power, but let's go ahead and see. We literally just plugged it in.
Can I turn this back on? Dad?
Yeah, we're not getting any power. Wow. What is going on, guys? It's like it's in child mode or